Hey gang, shut up Bear. That last video that I just uploaded was Monday, I think, Monday or Tuesday, can't remember now. I think I'm pretty sure it was Monday. Down at Coochin Creek boat ramp. I've been there since then. It's Friday now. I just came into Beerwah, chucked my last $20 in for fuel because it was low, and we'll see what happens. Apparently you can stay here for free. I'm not sure. You've got to be self-contained though. It's right near the sports ground. It's quite flash. There used to be sites all over. I believe they don't have a caretaker, so they can't open it up with power and all that sort of thing. So we'll see what's going on anyway. I don't know. But you still haven't got to see the tent up. So we'll see what happens. I won't be putting it up tonight, I don't think, but I think you can stay here 3 or 4 days before you have to move on, so I might put the tent up later. We'll see what happens. Oh well. That's just a quick one, just to let you know that I'm still alive and still kicking. I've just got to be really careful with what I eat and what I do, because, yeah, money's tight, as per usual. Alright, you folks have fun now. Oh, and the ute going really well. Other than its fuel consumption, it's going quite nicely, and so is the trailer. Okay, bye now. Let's go to 2 minutes just to make it worthwhile. YouTube can throw their ad in or whatever they do, I don't know what happens. But anyway, there you go.